How to make faceless YouTube videos and turn them into a full-time income. Would you like to know how to make faceless YouTube videos and make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? What if I told you that thousands of creators are already doing it, earning thousands of dollars every month, all while staying behind the scenes? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create faceless YouTube videos that get views and make money, using the power of AI tools, smart niche selection, and proven growth strategies. Whether you're an introvert, a busy entrepreneur, or just someone looking for passive income, this is your ultimate guide to building a successful faceless YouTube channel. Let's dive in. Let's begin the journey to YouTube faceless video creation and monetization. Number 1. Why faceless YouTube channels are profitable. Faceless YouTube channels are a goldmine for creators who want to stay anonymous while earning big. Many YouTubers make thousands of dollars per month without ever showing their face, proving that you don't need to be a camera personality to succeed. These channels are easier to scale and automate compared to personal branding channels, making them perfect for busy entrepreneurs. Another huge advantage is the low barrier to entry. You don't need expensive equipment or a fancy setup, just a good idea and the right tools. Plus, faceless channels are ideal for introverts or anyone who prefers to stay behind the scenes. If you're looking for a way to earn passive income without the spotlight, this is it. Number 2. How to pick the right niche. Picking the right niche is the foundation of a successful faceless YouTube channel. The key is to find topics with high demand but low competition. Use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to analyze search volume and competition scores. Google Trends is another great resource for spotting rising topics before they become oversaturated. Some of the best faceless YouTube niches include motivation and success, think quotes and affirmations, finance and investing, like budgeting and stocks, and tech reviews and AI tools. Horror and true crime storytelling and health and wellness topics like meditation and sleep sounds are also highly popular. Choose a niche you're passionate about, but make sure it has a hungry audience ready to watch. Number 3. AI tools to create faceless YouTube videos. Creating faceless YouTube videos has never been easier, thanks to AI tools. For script writing, tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI can help you write engaging scripts in minutes. These tools are perfect for crafting compelling stories or breaking down complex topics into digestible content. When it comes to voiceovers, 11 Labs and PlayHT offer realistic, human-like AI voices that sound professional and natural. For video creation, Pictory and Runway ML can turn your scripts into stunning visuals automatically. And don't forget tools like Canva and InVideo for easy editing and access to stock footage. With these AI tools, you can create high-quality videos without breaking a sweat. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and your support means the world to me. Every like, comment, and subscription brings us closer to that goal, so let's grow together. Now, let's get back to the video, because the next tips are absolutely crucial for your success. Number 4. Editing and uploading your video. Once your video is ready, it's time to polish it for maximum impact. Add engaging background music from platforms like Epidemic Sound, Pixabay, or the YouTube audio library. Music sets the tone and keeps viewers hooked, so choose tracks that match your video's vibe. Next, ensure your video has smooth pacing by trimming unnecessary parts. A well-edited video keeps viewers watching until the end. Finally, optimize your title, description, and tags for SEO. Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find the best keywords and make your video discoverable. A little extra effort here can go a long way in boosting your views. Number 5. Growth strategies. Consistency is key to growing your faceless YouTube channel. Aim to upload 1 to 2 videos per week to keep your audience engaged and the algorithm happy. Regular uploads signal to YouTube that your channel is active, which can help you rank higher in search results. Engagement is just as important as consistency. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe by asking questions or including a clear call to action in your videos. When it comes to monetization, Explore multiple streams like YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products like ebooks or courses. Diversifying your income ensures you're not relying on just one source. Now, before we move on, here's something you might not know. The most successful faceless YouTube channels don't just rely on great content. They use proven growth hacks to skyrocket their views and income. In the next section, I'll reveal how you can use YouTube Shorts, community building, and trend spotting to take your channel to the next level. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It could be the breakthrough your channel needs. Number 6. Leveraging YouTube Shorts. Don't underestimate the power of YouTube Shorts. These short vertical videos can help you reach a massive audience quickly. Use trending music, hashtags, and engaging hooks to make your shorts stand out. Shorts are also a great way to repurpose your existing content. For example, you can turn a longer video into multiple shorts to maximize its reach. Since shorts are heavily promoted by YouTube, they can act as a funnel to bring new subscribers to your main channel. Number 7. Building a community. Building a community around your channel is crucial for long-term success. Use the community tab to engage with your audience by posting polls, updates, and behind-the-scenes content. This keeps your viewers invested in your channel. Another way to build a community is by responding to comments. Even if you're faceless, engaging with your audience makes them feel valued and more likely to stick around. A loyal community can also help promote your videos through word of mouth. Number 8. Analyzing and adapting. Regularly analyzing your performance is key to growing your channel. Use YouTube Analytics to track metrics like watch time, click-through rate (CTR), and audience retention. These insights will help you understand what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to adapt your strategy based on the data. For example, if you notice your audience retention drops after 2 minutes, work on making your intros more engaging. Data-driven decisions are the backbone of a successful channel. Number 9. Avoiding burnout. Running a YouTube channel can be overwhelming, especially if you're doing it alone. To avoid burnout, set a realistic upload schedule that you can stick to without sacrificing quality. Remember, it's better to post 1 great video a week than 3 mediocre ones. Take breaks when you need them, and don't obsess over metrics. Your mental health is more important than any video. A healthy creator is a productive creator, so prioritize self-care and keep your passion alive. Number 10. Staying ahead of trends. Staying ahead of trends is critical for keeping your channel relevant. Use tools like Google Trends, VidIQ, and TubeBuddy to identify rising topics in your niche. Creating content around trending topics can give your channel a significant boost. But don't just follow trends blindly. Add your unique twist to stand out. For example, if everyone is making videos about a new AI tool, focus on a specific use case or provide a step-by-step tutorial. Being timely and original will set you apart from the competition. Number 11. Optimizing thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail and title are the first things viewers see, so they need to grab attention instantly. Use bold, contrasting colors and clear text in your thumbnails to make them stand out. Tools like Canva and Photoshop can help you design eye-catching thumbnails. For titles, focus on curiosity and clarity. Use power words like how-to, top 5, or secrets to spark interest. Always include your target keyword to improve SEO. A great thumbnail and title combo can significantly boost your click-through rate, CTR, so don't underestimate their importance. Number 12. Collaborating with other creators. Collaborations are a powerful way to grow your channel. Partnering with other creators in your niche exposes your content to a new audience. Look for creators with a similar subscriber count or slightly larger to ensure a fair collaboration. You can collaborate on videos, shout each other out, or even create joint projects. Collaborations not only boost your reach, but also add variety to your content, making your channel more dynamic and engaging. Number 13. Using playlists to boost watch time. Playlists are a hidden gem for increasing watch time and keeping viewers on your channel longer. Organize your videos into themed playlists like Beginner's Guide to Investing or Top AI Tools for Creators. When viewers finish one video, they're more likely to watch the next if it's part of a playlist. This boosts your overall watch time, which is a key metric for YouTube's algorithm. Plus, playlists make your channel look more organized and professional. Now that you know how to make faceless YouTube videos, which niche will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. My goal is to help you build a successful channel, and your support means the world to me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more YouTube growth tips. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.